Beautiful lawn. Come on. Garden view. Nice place, guys. It's so beautiful. Yes, we're. Wonderful place. You can see, guys. A bar. See how many. Oh, nice little place. Guys, this is a long time I see kite fly. And Easter Monday I was right here. Yeah, this kite flying. Yeah, man, it looks so amazing in the sky. Yeah, when I was a little boy, I always see kite fly a lot. And Easter, I realize it start back now, where they have kite festival and all this thing. Look here, guys, kite just mounting in the air. Yeah, man, the guy just taking it in, drawing it in. Yeah, take a little time, pull it in to him, guys. It's in the ear right here, but it take time pulling it in. So beautiful in the skies, guys. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, remember to watch the video to the end, guys. So boy, Ron Mark, keep watching and see the progress. Guys, it's two of them in the sky same time, Two of them, guys, but one joining.
Roan MC Vlog TV, stick on it and stay.